This is Machete Kid TV. Oh, so the bite. Let's look at the bite. Oh, we here with the EGL 300, and it's a 2021 model, and it's got the 2020 KTM graphic kit on it. So, but the graphic kit, you gotta kind of piece it together. Like, this is one piece, this is one piece, and this is one piece. So this is all one piece, this is one piece. You can tell and this is one piece. This is all one piece. This is all one piece. These is stickers. Yo, why is it so hard to get Red Bull stickers? Red Bull stickers are very hard. When I say very, very hard to find Red Bull stickers. I don't know what it is. They don't sell Red Bull stickers. And if they do sell Red Bull stickers are from another country. And we have this right here. Only thing that I don't like about this graphic kit, it fits, but it's a little big in some places where it doesn't. I guess it fits. So we got this. The only sticker that I kind of don't like with this graphic kit, I don't run Oakley, and I really don't like Dunlop. I'm more of a Michelin guy. This is a sticker I brought, the WP shots. This is another sticker I brought, Toro, because we run the Toro mowers. So I run the Toro sticker. Not Pro Taper bars, but I am gonna buy some Pro Taper bars. They around like $40 off eBay, so I'm gonna get some real Pro Taper bars. We got an hour meter. This is it doesn't come with an hour meter, so this is a vibration hour meter. It comes with this. This doesn't fit good at all. The swing arm sticker doesn't fit good at all, as you can see. It doesn't really fit good. So, some places the graphic kit kind of, see how it's not really sticking. And right here I had to like cut it and make it fit. Some air bubbles in some places, so I had to basically do what I can do. But the back, you see how it doesn't fit right there? But other than that, most of the places it fits. Go to the other side. Oh my God, this side got air bubbles. It's got that. See, this side is a little bit more tighter. Fits better in here. But the graphic kit didn't come with anything that like go on the plastics on the back part. It just came with this, and this. It didn't come with this. It didn't come with that. Oh, it didn't. These is my stickers. It didn't come with hand guards. I brought these. Gotta have them hand guards. So yeah, this is a choke bike. So the choke, I didn't even know, is right here. You just pull it up like that, and that's the choke. You turn the gas on, and it's electric start, and it's a kick start. I can't kick it because my leg is messed up. And boom, it's on. So that's the bite. Oh yeah, I gotta graphic kick, so I gotta take this off. I'm gonna put some grip tape right here, you know. So yeah. The light works sometimes. So real bright light, make you look street legal. So yeah, that's my bike, bro. It's Machete Kid TV, and I'm out.